Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to do lesson number 15 of your English grammar book, and the name of the chapter is Pronouns. Students, you have learnt about pronouns in your previous classes. Now, what is a pronoun? A pronoun is a word that we use instead of a noun. Now look at these words. I, she, he, they, it, her, mine. All these words are pronouns and they can be used in the place of a noun in a sentence. Now we come to the second part of this chapter, that is kinds of pronouns. In this video, you are going to learn about two types of pronoun. The first one is personal pronouns and the second is possessive pronouns. Personal pronouns. Now what are personal pronouns? The pronouns that stand for the names of people or things are called personal pronouns. Personal pronouns may be used as a subject in a sentence. They are called subject pronouns. Examples: he, she, I, we, you, they. All these pronouns are used at the place of a subject. So they are called subject pronouns. Personal pronouns may be used as an object in a sentence. Then they are called object pronouns. Examples: him, her, it, me, us, you, them. All these pronouns are used at a place of the object. So they are called object pronouns. This will be more clear to you if you look at these examples. First example, we should learn from our mistake. Here the word we has been underlined and the word we is a subject pronoun. Now the second sentence, she is willing to help them. Here the word them or the pronoun them is an object pronoun as it has been used at the place of an object in the sentence. Let us now do a worksheet based on subject and object pronoun. You have to identify the personal pronoun, then you need to tell the kind also. First sentence, let me solve this. Here the word me is the personal pronoun and it is an object pronoun. His mother taught him. Here the word his and him are the personal pronoun. His is the subject pronoun and him is the object pronoun. We are playing. Here the word we is the personal pronoun and what type of personal pronoun it is? It is a subject pronoun. She is willing to help them. In this sentence also we have two pronouns, she and them. She is the subject pronoun and them is the object pronoun. Now we come to the second type of pronouns, that is possessive pronoun. The pronouns that show possession or ownership are called possessive pronouns. Example: mine, hers, his, theirs. All these pronouns are possessive pronouns as they are showing ownership or belongingness, that something belongs to someone. Read the use of possessive pronouns. First sentence, This dog belongs to you. This sentence can be changed into this dog is yours. Here the word yours is the possessive pronoun. That car belongs to them, or that car is theirs. Here the pronoun theirs is the possessive pronoun. Let us do some more examples of possessive pronouns. These toys belong to him, or these toys are his. Those books belong to us. Those books are ours. That poster is made by me, or that poster is mine. Here the pronoun his, ours and mine are the possessive pronoun as they are showing ownership. Hope children, with this video you have understood the concept of personal pronouns and possessive pronouns. Thank you.